Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer from Apollo.io to HubSpot. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Apollo.io and log into your account. Navigate to the section where your contacts are stored. Select the contacts you wish to transfer. Look for the export option, usually located in the settings or options menu. Choose the format for the export file, such as CSV or Excel. Download the exported file to your computer. Next, log into your HubSpot account. From the HubSpot dashboard, go to the Contacts section. Select the Import option, typically found in the top right corner. Choose to import a file and locate the file you downloaded from Apollo.io. Map the fields from your Apollo.io export to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. Make sure all required fields in HubSpot are filled. Confirm your import settings and proceed with the import. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once finished, review your contacts in HubSpot to ensure they have been imported correctly. If you notice any discrepancies, recheck the mapping of fields or the original export file. Now, you can begin utilizing your contacts within HubSpot for your marketing and sales efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.